What is up guys, to another site's video. I'm going to show you how you can create a new template in Zoho Mail. So first you need to head over to your Zoho Mail's website, and then when you're redirected to the inbox page, here on the left side you will see the template section. Click on this template section, and if you haven't created any of the template, you will see this new template button. You can click on this, or you can click on this create template. After that you need to enter a subject. After entering this subject, you need to enter the description, and after writing your description, you can also add some external attachment like some external links or external images. And if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. Like after selecting this text, you can click on this bold to make it bold, and you can click on italic to make it italic. As you can see, I have made bold and italic. And if you want to make it underline, just select this text again and then click on this underline to underline this. And after that, if you want to add some strike through, you can click on this and add the strike through if you want to. And you can also change the font. Let's say I want this font Comic Sans, so I'll just click on it, and then as you can see, the font has been changed. You can also change the font size and the font color, and this is the background color. Let's say I want to change the background color to this purple. So when I click on that, I first need to select it, and then I need to choose the background color. Let's say I want blue. As you can see, the background color has been changed to blue. So you can just edit it according to your vision requirements and change all the settings. So this is how you can create a template in Zoho Mail. And when you're done, you need to choose a category. And after selecting a category, you just simply need to click on save to save it. So this is how you can create a template in Zoho Mail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.